Hey everyone, Nick outside the mask pit for, yes, another exciting, thrill-packed video outside of the mask pit. And today I'm working on this. This is my project here. For years, we've had this space outside of our house, and it's a wasted space because we have a tree here. Nothing grows under it. It's it gets a little sunlight in the afternoon. And when it rains, it turns into a big mud pit. And of course, Frosty and Yeti love it when it becomes a mud pit because they love to run around, wallow in the mud, and then run through the house. So I figured I've got to do something with this wasted area. So I took a picture of it and I plugged it into the Grok AI system. And I wanted them to transform this for me into a cozy, inviting, summer, relaxing, tranquil sitting area. And so that's my plans right here today. And so um, they did several suggestions for me. And the one that I liked was the one where it had gravel on the bottom. So I am off now to find pea gravel or pea stone for it. And I think I need about 60 bags. So let's get going on our AI project. Can I do it?
wait, there's more. I was so happy with the way this turned out, I decided to do this area too. Nick back down here in the mask pit doing some mask projects now that my outdoor project is done. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something about how AI can help trigger your own brain. That's why I haven't done anything with this unusable project for decades. It's been sitting there, and it's because I really didn't have a vision of what the potential could be. If I didn't want to put a lot of money and effort into something and time, if it wasn't going to work out, if I did all of that work and I'd look at it and say, I still don't want to sit back here in the summer. So I never went ahead with it. But as soon as I plugged in, what I wanted into the AI search and the first few pictures, I'm like, wow, it's got potential. And I took that and I ran with it. And once I got into it, I didn't want to do a carbon copy of the AI version. Once I got into it, it started fueling my brain, sparking my brain and my wife's brain, and Yeti and Frosty, and we were getting different ideas, and so we were changing and switching things around, as we progressed and as we saw everything develop. We really, really got excited about it. So AI really came in handy for me. I guess it's just not the evil villain that a lot of people think it is, yeah. And what I'm thinking is this may be a work in progress. I may want to change my decorating scheme every year because there's such great potential. I've seen different pictures and stuff. So if you have any ideas for me, decorating ideas, I love to spruce things up and make it look super, super comfortable and relaxing and tranquil. If you have any ideas of what you think would make it that way, put it down in the comment, please, because you never know. I may do another redecorating the campgrounds, is what we call it now, and your idea may be in that video. So let me know, and please help my video. Please comment, share, like, because it really does help. My typical video makes about maybe $10 or $20. I would at least like to make a sizable dent in my budget for my AI project. Everything costs between $500 and $600 to transform that area. So I would like to make a dent in that budget by having my YouTube video generate some income. So please help me out. And there's a buy me a cup of coffee link that I put on there maybe about a year ago. So far, I have been coffeeless. But what I would like to do, if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee, I would like to put that towards dog treats for Yeti and Frosty. Hey, you guys. So there is a link on my my YouTube homepage. And a video that I am working on right now, this is going to be a good one. I've been on YouTube for just over 20 years, and I want to do a video of everything that I have learned in 20 years about YouTube, everything I like and everything I don't like. There's quite a few there. So I think that's going to be a really, really fun video. And until then, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a horrible day. So horrible doing the mask pit with different with a different decoration. Give me some ideas, and maybe that'll